and welcome to Phonics with Fi. Thank you very much for joining me. Are you ready to learn some new sounds and start to read? Yes! What a great idea. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you enjoy today's sound. Shall we just introduce you to my very special helper? Come out, wherever you are. He's a little bit shy. Can you say hello to everybody? Can you say hello to him? Say a big hello. That's right, they're saying hello to you. Hello. He says hello. Fantastic. Are you ready to learn some sounds? Yes, he is. Yee. Are you ready to learn some sounds? Yes. Fantastic. Let's get started, shall we? Can you find our letter today? Can you see it anywhere? Where is our letter? Yes, we found it. It's a S. Can you have a go? Join in with us. Fantastic. It's a slithery snake. And we go. Aren't they doing well? He's very, very impressed with you. And I am too. Shall we try it one more time? Fantastic. Can you do it nice and short now? Excellent. Now, every time we do a new sound in my very special bag. Are you helping me hold it? Yes. In my very special bag, we're going to have lots of different things that begin with our letter. Who can remember what our letter is today? I've forgotten. Can you remember? What was it? That's right. S, 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 s. Now, I wonder if you can already think of something beginning with S. Shall we see what's in our bag? Are we ready? Do you know what this one is? S, s, star. Well done. S, s, star. Well done. Shall we see what's next? Ooh, do you know what this one is? Oh no! Can't eat that. Give it back. Give it back. Well done. You keep holding on to that bag. No eating this very tasty thing. No! You cannot eat it. He's being a bit naughty, isn't he? Tell him to spit it out. Give it back. Spit it out. You hold on to that bag. Now you keep an eye on him for me, will you? Don't want him trying to... Oh! Hey, no eating. Keep hold of that bag. Quickly, tell me what it is. It's a strawberry. Strawberry. Well done. Do you like strawberries? They are very yummy, aren't they? Shall we see what else is in my bag? Can you guess what this might be just by the top of it? Ooh. It's a spade, and it's even got sand on it because we have spade and sand. Two things. Amazing. And we dig in the sand, don't we? Dig, dig, dig with our spade. Spade. Fantastic. Shall we see what else is in there? I hope you're not thinking about stealing that strawberry. No. Are you ready for the next one? Shall we see if you can guess? Oh. Oh. It's wiggly. It's squiggly. It's a snake. Just like we were talking about at the beginning. A snake. I don't know if you like snakes, but some of them can be very nice, can't they? Can you be a snake for me and go hiss, hiss, and say it for me? Snake. Fantastic. Should we go through some of the ones we've already done, see if you can remember? What was this one? A star, a strawberry, a spade, and a snake. Fantastic. Let's do a couple more then. Who knows what these are? You don't want to eat those. They're a bit smelly, aren't they? Can you say pooey? They are socks. Socks. Fantastic. You are absolute superstars, aren't you? Superstars. We'll do one more then. Do you know what these are? They're sweets. That's right. Excuse me. Spit them back out. You can't possibly eat them with the wrapper on, can you? Sweets. Sweets. Fantastic. Shall we see if you can do all of them now? Ready? Starting with the star. Well done. And strawberry. Well done. And spade. And the snake. Oops. And the socks. And the sweets. Fantastic. Haven't they done well? Yes, 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 yes. Can you do yourself a superstar pose? So get yourself with your arm out in front of you and say, I am a superstar. Yes, you are. Fantastic. So your challenge now is to go and find something beginning with S. Welcome back. Yes, they're back, aren't they? Thank you very much for coming back, and I hope you had fun finding things beginning with S. Wonder what you found? Maybe some soap to wash your hands with, or a spoon to eat your pudding with. I bet you found some amazing things, so well done. Now we're going to finish today's video with a tongue twister. I wonder if you can join in. Every word is going to start with a S word. Okay, so listen carefully and then you can have a go. So it's gonna be Sammy snake slipped on soap. Sammy snake slipped on soap. Can you have a go at that? Sammy snake slipped on soap. Oh, did they do well? Yes, they did, didn't they? Have one more go. Sammy snake slipped on soap. Can you see if you can do it even faster? Sammy snake slipped on soap. Faster. Sammy snake slipped on soap. 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 Sammy snake. Oh no, I went all wrong. Silly me. I hope that you have lots of fun trying to do that tongue twister by yourself and have fun spotting lots of different things around your house or outside when you're going walking that begin with a S, and let me know what you find. And I'll be back soon with another Phonics with Fi to learn some more sounds. I can't wait. Don't forget, you are a superstar! Thank you very much, and I'll see you again soon.